Hi kindergarten! Welcome back to Miss Hirsch's Kinder Corner for our very last letter lesson video today. We're going to talk about the letter Z, and in this picture we have a ziggy-zaggy pathway that's showing us the shape of our Z. Ziggy, zaggy, zig. Letter Z should not look like an S, so make sure you're making those ziggy-zaggy lines really pointy when you're making your Z. Let's take a look at our song for Z. So when we were singing El Fardy, we learned the same word as on the picture for our action for Z. Z for zigzag, Z, Z, Z. And that's the same as in our song. Z for zigzag, Z, Z, Z. And then we have zipper, and we pretend to zip up our zipper. We have zebra. What action could we do for zebra? You could pretend to be a horse galloping like a zebra, because zebras are like horses, right? So let's stand up and let's practice our song. Are you ready to try it with me? 1, 2, 3. What's the sound that starts these words? Zigzag, zipper, zip, and zebra. Gallop like a zebra. What's the sound? Z is the sound that starts these words. Zigzag, zipper, zip, and zebra. With a Z, Z here and a Z, Z there. Here a Z, there a Z, everywhere a Z, Z, Z is the sound that starts these words. Can you do it? Zigzag, are you doing it? Zipper, zip, and you do the last one. Zebra, gallop like a zebra. Good job, guys. Let's take a look at some more words that start with a Z, and then we'll take a look at our rhyming poem. So here's my Z picture. I have my letter Z. I have a picture of a zebra. I have a picture of a zipper. And what number is this? 0. Zebra, zipper, 0. These are all things that start with the sound Z. And in our poem, we have one more word that starts with the Z sound and a rhyme, right? So here we go. Z is for zebra. Z is for, where do you go to see animals? Zoo. Z is for zipper on my shoe. And sometimes you do have zippers on your shoes, don't you? Boys and girls, do you see the rhyming words? Zebra, zoo, zipper, shoes. What if we just say shoe? Does shoe rhyme with one of the other pictures here? Shoe, zoo, shoe, zoo, shoe, zoo. Both of them say the sound ooh at the end. But in shoes, cover the S because there's no S at the end of zoo. We're going to say shoe. It has the O and the E sound. And the O and the E sound makes the same sound as the O and the O sound in these words. So the letters are a little different, but the sounds are the same. Ooh. Let's take a look at how to write the letter Z. All right. Oh, runaway whiteboard. There we go. So when I'm making my Z, I want to make sure those lines are nice and ziggy-zaggy, right? Capital Z, lift your finger up, help me draw. We're going to start at the top line. We go across the top line. Then we stop and we make a nice pointy corner. We go down the slide all the way to the bottom and then across the bottom. So I should see nice pointy corners here when you're making your Z. Oh, you can't even see that. There you go. Ziggy zag, little Z, across the top, make a nice sliding line down, and then across the bottom. There's my pointy corners. Do it with me one more time. Let's do one more capital. Start with your finger up in the sky. Go across the top line. Go down the slide, right? And then go across the bottom. Pointy, pointy corners. Because sometimes people start to make their Z kind of look like this, and then I say to them, that looks like a backwards S, or it looks kind of like a number 2. Make your Z super pointy so that it looks like a Z. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to stop there. I want you guys to do your letter Zs in your book, and then show me your picture. Let's see how nicely you can do your letter Zs. Talk to you next time.